What's going on, guys? Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now you're looking at a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, and we just got done lifting this one, added some new wheels and tires to it. So if you guys are looking to do the same thing to yours, you should take a look at what we did to this one. To start off, I'm gonna go with the lift kit, which is going to be the 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit. So this one's gonna help it raise it up, fit this bigger 35-inch tire underneath. So also when you get a rough country lift kit, you have 3 options to choose from. You got your strut spacer, which is what we went with for this one. Then you have your extended strut, which is going to completely replace the factory strut, get some of that ride quality back if you do have a little bit more miles on your vehicle. Or you can go with the Vertex coilover shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality that you can get for rough country's lift kits. Down here we have a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is going to be their hybrid tire. So it's a step down from the mud terrain, so that means you're going to get the aggressive sidewall, a little bit of that more aggressive tread on the tire, but it's going to be pretty quiet on the road and also give you a longer tread life thanks to the more compact center tread. So down here we have a 22 by 12 fuel stroke in the gloss black and milled. This one's going to have that -44 offset, so you're going to have that deep dish look on this one with the flat face. So you're going to have about a 5.5 inch lip, which also creates about 4 to 5 inches of poke past your fenders. So you're going to get a nice wide stance with this wheel and tire setup as well. What I like about this one is it's going to have those pretty unique spokes, and then it's also going to really just set it off with the millings being on inside and outside of the spokes, which also complements a lot of the features on the truck. But also the wheel's going to have the rivets along the outside with fuel etched in there as well. This one's a pretty popular wheel, and it's going to really just give you that little bit more aggressive look thanks to the design of this face. So if you guys like this wheel, this one also comes in a couple different finishes. You have your gloss black and milled, you have your gloss black and candy red, candy blue. So you do have a couple different options there, as well as many different sizes, which will be listed below. If you guys have any questions about what you can do with your truck, we can answer those for you. But also, if you want to get ahead and get your truck lifted, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs. But also make sure you check out our 0% financing options, so you go ahead and get your truck lifted now and pay later.